Wednesday, March 19th, and we're joined by Dad's chief apprentice here, Aidan. And it looks like they've been working on this boat here. They got it covered up. It wasn't covered up yesterday, or was it? I can't remember.
Yeah, we didn't uncover it yet.
So I see you got some lights repaired for sure.
Yeah, the duck's boss backed into the into some ice when
Okay.
he was going out hunting and smashed the lenses out.
Okay, got the fenders back on.
Yeah, we had to build spacers for the fenders because we put a new axle in and
Okay.
pushed the wheels out a lot further.
What else did you guys get done here today?
We had to take the jack off the front because it was super loose and readjust it so it wouldn't.
Okay.
Like,
Yeah.
tilt this way.
Yeah. Okay, so they got some wheels to put on here, and then probably in the next day or two, this will be rolling out of the shop completed. And so this is just a quick side job. Dad's still working on the big airboat, and Aidan and Dad are stopped right now because they were putting on heads, and Dad realized they got the wrong heads on there. So they got the other heads, I think, reboxed up, I hope, right?
We're doing that tomorrow.
Okay, and then those heads have got to go back to wherever they ordered from. I ordered new heads today from Summit Racing down in the States. They were in stock. Luckily, they were in stock. I got 2 of 12 left in North America. So we're hoping to see that in the next 7-8 days. But in the meantime, they're going to be doing whatever else they can in the meantime. But yeah, they got to put these other heads on, and it was just a slightly different version. But Dad realized that he needed that other slightly different version. It was just like probably one number off from the version that they needed. But yeah, I can't use the original heads. They're going to put these new ones on. They are ordered in. And so yeah, this is what Dad does here. He kind of does a bit of airboating here in between the Bombardier jobs. These guys are going to want to go out working. They got the new rad installed here already. You can see a new oil filter. It means they got the oil changed as well. What else has been done on this?
Well, there's no oil in it yet.
Okay.
Put the heads back on. We're gonna have to clean and wash and wax the prop. And
Okay.
Probably have to sand it because there's a couple nicks in the edge of the blade,
Oh, okay.
and you can't have that.
And then still got to clean out the boat. Or no, that actually looks pretty clean in there. You looks like you vacuumed or something. But
This one showed up pretty clean. Cleaner
Yeah.
than the other one.
yeah, and then they already worked on getting the tires changed out there and everything else. So, and then if you notice here, this engine's back off that table over there. They got a different engine up there. They're going to work on, maybe if they get time, getting the transmission fixed. They want to get test the compression on that other engine and the transmission. The compression test on this one is written on the manifold here. This one's for sale, guys. We're not using it, so if you're interested, I think it's $3,000 ready to pick up and go, but Dad doesn't want to use it for what he has it. So if you guys are interested, this belongs to Dennis Evans, the tire guy. $3,000 is what he wants for it, and you can come and pick it up in the paw. But if you notice, Aidan has been really busy at cleaning up back here, so you can actually walk through here now. And most of these parts are for the swamp buggy, and Dad's been talking more about getting the swamp buggy fixed here, and that's the one out in the yard that I showed you on another video there. So this is the engine that came out of the swamp buggy, and we got a couple sample transmissions that we got to get fixed on there, or fitted on there. And I think they were working on this yesterday and they couldn't get it quite right, but they managed to get that one. So I don't know what they're going to do here, if they're going to put the other one back on or not, but they still got to do the compression test here and change the flex plate too, probably.
So we can hook this rebuilt.
Yeah, so that's it. There's no Bombardiers here, guys, like I said, right now, but next big project after airboats is going to be that swamp buggy, so stay tuned for that. And then we'll just keep on doing these shop updates, probably do fewer videos over the next few weeks, just because there's not a lot of Bombardier activity. But Aidan's going to be here Dad just loves having him here. I can't be here, so and I love that Aidan's here as well. Okay, that's it, guys. We'll check in with you on the next video.